Hi guys, this is Kunal and you are watching Poetry for Charity. The unfortunate situation that we are currently in is going to cause a lot of pain and a lot of problem to a lot of people of this country. People are dying because of hunger. People are dying because there are not enough medical kits available. People are getting pushed towards the poverty line. They are losing their jobs. And this difficult time, people like you and me can help them. There are numerous organizations already working towards it. We can do our bit by donating a small sum. Please go ahead and check out the different donation links available by these organizations in the description window of this video. And then decide for yourself through which organization do you guys want to make a donation. Please just make a small donation. Remember, no amount is small. Right now, this country needs you. The people of this country need you. And as a thank you note in advance from Frowning Clown, here is a poetry performance just for you. Today, I'm going to recite a poem that I wrote a year ago. It's called The Familiar Sound. So here it goes. I can see you high, I can see you low. What's in between? I would never know. I can see at night the stars which glow. Then what happens behind the clouds? I would never know. I can see the road and I can see it go. What's on the way? I would never know. I can see the torch and I can see it glow. Then what's darkness? I would never know. I would never know what's right, what's wrong. I would never know who's there to stay for long. I would never know should follow whose song. I would never know where should I belong. I would only know the people around. I would only know what's on the ground. I would only know the familiar sound. Then why should I follow the unfamiliar sound? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys like this poem and I hope you guys have made up your mind to go ahead and donate. Please go ahead and donate. Even a small amount, but just go ahead and donate. India needs you and people of this country need you. Thank you so much. This was Poetry for Charity.